Do you also feel that sting of frustration every time you leave the checkout? You thought you only bought the bare essentials, but your debit card has been drained again. You're not alone. The cost of living is rising, and the supermarket is one of the biggest culprits. But what if I told you that with a few simple tricks, you could drastically reduce your grocery bill? That it's possible to save half without sacrificing quality or taste. Today, we're sharing 10 powerful proven hacks that will change your financial life. These aren't complicated theories, but practical, immediately applicable tips that work every time. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hack 1. The magic of meal planning. The first and perhaps most important hack is create a meal plan. Almost all impulsive purchases happen because we don't have a plan. We stand in the store thinking, what should we eat tonight? And before we know it, ready-made meals and expensive ingredients are in our cart. By planning in advance, you know exactly what you need for every meal of the week. This not only reduces waste, but also saves you the stress of last-minute decisions. Take 15 minutes on Sunday to review your week. Think about what you want to eat and write down the ingredients. It sounds simple, but the results are amazing. Hack 2. The unbreakable shopping list. Now that you've planned your meals, the next step is to create an unbreakable shopping list. A list is your shield against the temptations of the supermarket. Write down only the things you need for your meal plan and stick to it. Tip: organize your list based on the layout of your supermarket. If you know you'll be passing the produce section, followed by the dairy aisle, list these items in that order. This prevents you from running back and forth and reduces the chance of impulse buys. The rule is if it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. Hack 3. Check your pantry. This hack is so simple that it's often forgotten. Check your pantry and freezer before you go to the grocery store. How often do you accidentally buy a second bottle of ketchup or an extra bag of rice when you already had some at home? By taking a quick inventory, you not only prevent unnecessary spending, but also ensure you actually use the things you have. It's the most effective way to reduce food waste and save money. Use what you have before you buy something new. Hack 4. Shop on a full stomach. This is pure psychology, but it works. Never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. When you're hungry, your body sends signals to your brain that prompt you to buy more food, and often unhealthier food. Think of that bag of chips that suddenly seems irresistible, or that bar of chocolate at the checkout. By eating before you enter the supermarket, you make rational decisions instead of emotional ones. It's a small action with a big impact on your weekly budget. Hack 5. Go for store brands. The temptation is great to always choose the familiar brands, but in many cases you're simply paying for the marketing. Store brands, whether from Walmart, Target, or another supermarket, are often made in the same factories as their more expensive counterparts. The quality is often comparable, or sometimes even identical. Test it yourself. Buy a store brand product of something you use often, like pasta, sugar, or canned vegetables. Chances are you won't even taste the difference, and your wallet will thank you. Hack 6. Buy in bulk when possible. Buying in bulk is a proven way to save, but you have to be smart about it. It works best for non-perishable products like rice, pasta, beans, toilet paper, or cleaning supplies. The price per pound or per item is often significantly lower for larger packages. Note: only buy in bulk if you will actually use it. A bulk package that you throw away half full is not a saving. Also, make sure you have enough storage space. It's an investment that will pay for itself in the long run. Hack 7. Make the freezer your best friend. The freezer is one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen. Did you buy a large pack of chicken breasts on sale? Freeze it in portions. Made a big pot of soup? Freeze the rest for a quick lunch later in the week. By using your freezer strategically, you can take advantage of sales and prevent food waste. Moreover, it saves you time on busy days. It's like a savings account for meals. You put something in now to benefit from it later. Hack 8. Use discounts and apps. In the digital age, there are countless ways to save. Most supermarkets have their own app with weekly discounts. Use it. Activate the discounts that are relevant to your meal plan and shopping list. In addition, there are apps like Ibotta and Checkout 51 that give you cash back on your purchases. It takes a few extra seconds, but the savings quickly add up. It's a small effort with a big reward. Hack 9. Check the price per unit. Large packages always seem cheaper, but are they? The supermarket is trying to mislead you. Always check the price per unit, such as price per pound, per litre, or per item. You can find this information on the price tag. It's the only way to be sure which package is the best deal. Also, a good tip: the most expensive products are at eye level. The cheaper alternatives, including the store brands, are often on the bottom or top shelves. Take the time to scan the entire shelf. You'll be surprised at what you find. Hack 10. Meatless Monday. The last hack is one that not only helps you save money, but is also healthier for you and the planet. Plan a meatless day a week. Meat and fish are often the most expensive products on your grocery list. By replacing meat with legumes, eggs, or vegetables one day a week, you'll save significantly. It forces you to cook more creatively and discover new, delicious recipes. And the best part, you'll find you don't even miss the meat. There you have them, the 10 best hacks to cut your grocery bill in half. It all starts with a plan and ends with making conscious choices. Pick one you can start with today. Be consistent and you'll quickly see the difference. Did you find this video helpful? Like and subscribe for more tips on how to live smarter and save more. And let us know in the comments, which hack are you going to try first? See you next time.